Welding with ultrasound enables perfect final results. But which objects are actually suitable for welding? Ultrasound enables molded parts, films, technical textiles and non-wovens with a thermoplastic content to be welded together. A distinction is made here between amorphous and semi-crystalline materials. Thermoplastics of the same type can always be welded well, and those of different types can also be welded well in some cases, as shown in the tables. The sonotrode of the ultrasonic welding machine directs the ultrasonic oscillation into the plastic parts to be welded. Due to the high compression-decompression cycles, the synthetic material plasticizes in the welding zone, and parts are thus joined together. For plasticization to take place in a controlled manner with molded parts, a special shape needs to be defined for the weld seam. For amorphous thermoplastics, energy directors are recommended, and for semi-crystalline ones, the shear joint. The energy director, ED, achieves a targeted and concentrated introduction of energy. This involves a raised V-shaped profile on one of the two contact surfaces. This geometry causes a linear contact on initial contact. The frictional heat leads to immediate melting of the ED. This also causes the surrounding material to melt quickly. The shear joint, on the other hand, is designed as a step with a small contact surface. The small surface area creates a high energy flow, resulting in rapid melting. Both parts slide into each other and a vertically running, homogeneous and tightly closed weld seam is formed. Since the shape plays an important role, close coordination with RINCO Ultrasonics during the design phase of the parts is recommended. Ultrasonic welding technology is used to realize reliable, precise and aesthetic welds. The technology is efficient and ecological.